Which action camera chest mount is actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, KINGKI Chest Mount. The KINGKI mobile phone chest mount caught my attention right away, especially with its price tag of just $9.99. It's a bestseller, which says a lot, but what really stood out to me was its focus on POV and vlog shooting. If you want to capture your adventures easily and affordably, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product solves your problem. This mount is designed specifically for smartphones, and it's adjustable to fit nearly any device. The 360-degree rotation means you can switch angles quickly, which is perfect when you're on the move. Plus, it's compatible with most action cameras, so whether you're biking or hiking, it has you covered. Plus, with over 875 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, people are clearly enjoying it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're into adventure sports, this mount provides a hands-free way to film your activities from a unique perspective without breaking the bank. Now, some people complained about the stability of the mount during intense activities. Here's the thing though, while it may not be the most rugged option for extreme sports, it does a great job for casual users who just want fun footage without the hefty price tag. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to capture your adventures while keeping your hands free. Skip this one if you need something super durable for extreme sports. Overall, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the stability issue of the KINGKI mount bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Samatop Chest Mount. Next up is the Samatop Chest Mount, priced at $19.99. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, it's clear that this one has a strong following. What caught my eye was the padded construction, promising comfort and stability during your outdoor adventures. If you're aiming for immersive video capturing, this is a solid contender. Here's why this product solves your problem. The upgraded padded design makes a huge difference when you're wearing it all day, whether you're skiing or biking. The quick-release buckle is user-friendly, meaning you can put it on or take it off even when wearing gloves. Plus, the stabilization ensures that your footage comes out smooth, giving you that lower-than-the-helmet view that really captures the action. With compatibility across all major action cameras, it's versatile for various activities. Here's the kicker, its high review count reflects how much people trust this product. However, some users mention that it can feel a bit bulky on the chest. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for comfort and stability, that extra bulk can be worth it when you're capturing great footage. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mount with comfort for extended use. Skip this one if you're looking for a minimalist design. The price point is fair considering the quality you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, VVH-OOI 3-in-1 Kit. The VVH-OOI 3-in-1 Universal Action Camera Accessories Kit is next, and it's a steal at $14.99. With a 4.5-star rating and 2,800 reviews, it offers a lot of bang for your buck. The combination of head strap, chest harness, and selfie stick is what really piqued my interest. If you're looking for flexibility in your filming, this kit is worth checking out. You get a chest harness for POV shots, a head strap for hands-free action, and a selfie stick for those wider shots. The adjustable design fits all shapes and sizes, making it suitable for kids and adults alike. Whether you're skiing, hiking, or biking, this kit has you covered for various scenarios. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of action cameras, making it a universal solution. With a great review count, it's clear that users appreciate this flexibility. Now, some might find the attachment process a bit cumbersome at times. Here's the thing, while it might take a moment to set up, once you do, the convenience of having 3 setups in one is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want multiple filming options without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer a specific mount and don't need the extras. For under $15, this is a great value. Now, if you're looking for something simpler, the next product might suit you better. Product number 4, Samatop Chesty. The The Samatop chest mount strap, priced at just $9.99, is another great option, boasting a 4.6-star rating and over 2,600 reviews. What really caught my attention was its fully adjustable design, which offers a snug fit for a wide range of body sizes. If you're after a budget-friendly yet effective solution, this one deserves a look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The durable materials ensure that it can withstand various outdoor conditions, and the J-hook buckle prevents accidental disengagement. You can mount your camera in multiple orientations, which is super helpful for achieving the perfect angle. Given its compatibility with almost all action cameras, it's a versatile choice for many different activities. Plus, its popularity reflects how much users appreciate its effectiveness. But honestly, if you use it correctly and adjust it to fit your body, it should hold up just fine for most casual uses. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to capture immersive videos without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something for extreme sports. At this price point, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if you're after something with a bit more advanced features, the last product is definitely worth considering. Product number 5, ULANZI CM028. Finally, we have the ULANZI CM028 adjustable chest mount harness, priced at $24.64. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,500 reviews, this mount offers some unique features that caught my eye, particularly its ability to switch between vertical and horizontal modes. If you're looking for versatility in shooting angles, this might just be your best option. The snug fit ensures it won't shake or shift while you're on the move, and the magnetic mount allows for easy installation and removal. This is a big plus when you want to switch cameras quickly. Plus, it's compatible with both smartphones and action cameras, which broadens its usability. The positive reviews speak to its comfort and functionality. Now, some users mention that the adjustment process can be a bit tricky at first. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the convenience of switching modes makes it well worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible chest mount that adapts to different shooting needs. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra simple. Given its features, it's a solid investment for any action camera enthusiast. So to quickly summarize, we've looked at the KINGKI for its budget-friendly approach, the Samatop chest mount for comfort, the VVHOOI kit for versatility, the Samatop chesty for affordability, and the ULANZI CM028 for advanced features. Each offers its own unique benefits, so think about what you really need and choose accordingly.